Hi, I'm Hayden from Ringo-Media. Today we're going to have a quick look at privacy on your Firesticks or Fire TV devices. So first off, on your Fire TV device or Firestick, I'm going to come over to your icon for your settings, come down to Preferences and Privacy Settings. From here, make sure all of these are turned off. Amazon Photos I turn off, that's a personal preference, but the rest, internet-based ads, collect app usage, device usage data, all of them need to be turned off. The other one to turn off, if you've got it on your Fire TV device, is cookie preferences. Now all you do is go into there, you can either accept or decline. In this case we decline, so it turns it off. Okay. Now if your particular Fire Stick doesn't have that menu, or that particular one, cookie preferences, you can still turn it off, but not from that. Okay, so what we do, we come over to a browser, we go to Amazon, whether it be .co.uk or .com, depending where you are in the world, or any other versions. Come to where it says hello and your account and lists. Just hover over that, then come down to where it says manage your content and devices. So we click on that. That will take us into this particular menu. We're not worried about these. You can click on devices and it will show you devices you've got. But what we're interested in today is privacy settings. So if you click on there, and then you can come to Amazon device privacy, manage settings, clicking on that, and then from there you'll see a list of all your Fire TV devices. Okay, now the one I'm on currently is the 4K. So as we've seen, I've turned it off in there. Scroll down a bit and then here you see usage data, internet based ads, or app usage data. So you can turn off all of them settings from a web browser. So let's have a look at my caravan Fire Stick. It's currently offline as I'm not at the caravan at the moment. But again, I can change all these settings now. So you can go through, check all your devices, whether they're online or not. Make sure these settings are all off. Okay, now the other one I've got in my office doesn't have the cookie preferences actually on the Fire Stick. So the only place to turn that off is in here. Okay, so turn all of them off. And that will keep prying eyes from the likes of Amazon from knowing exactly what you're watching, where you're going, and how you use your device. Thanks for watching today. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow us for more about your Fire Sticks. Take care. Bye.